purpose at Safaricom is transforming lives. And you may wonder where transforming lives sits, especially looking at this being an e-waste conversation. And within transforming life, we have 4 key pillars within purpose, and one of them is planet. So under planet, we have circularity, and that is now where we have the conversation around e-waste. So with WEEE Centre, we've been having a partnership for the last 11 years. Actually, we should have had a birthday party in October. We've been increasing the targets and numbers we are collecting year on year. And just this year, we signed a commitment with GSMA to also further increase our e-waste collection by 20% year on year. We are definitely working with our regulators, so Communication Authority are part of it, and we also have NEMA who work very closely with us. A challenge I'd like to put to all of us here in the room, and one of the areas that we are grappling with, is the aspect around mindset shift around e-waste. And Kenyans in the room, we have this very bad habit called hoarding, where I'm sure if we go to our drawers somewhere at home, there's a drawer with gadgets, phones, tablets that are completely obsolete, that are not being used. Let's surrender them to for safe disposal. That's why we have partners like we who will guide us and show us what's the right way to do it. And in case you're wondering what are some of the places that you can deliver, or you're probably thinking, oh, I don't know how to get my way to Eastern Bypass, our retail outlets are drop-off points. And I think even with WEEE Centre, the conversation will morph out further, especially with our recent launch of the East Africa Device Assembly Plant, which we launched in Athi River. The final challenge I'd like to pose to the room is, if you have any innovative ideas, especially around sustainable incentives, happy to have that conversation. Because a lot of the times when you're trying to address the question around mindset shift, addressing the question around hoarding, a lot of the people are still tied to the intrinsic value of the commodity. So you perhaps organized resident community. So even a challenge to all of us in the room, if we can organize ourselves in those small communities, in your apartment block, etc., and let's have the conversation around e-waste, and together we can support we and all other partners working on this. Really, really glad to be part of this session. Glad to have sponsored this, and I look forward to learning and interacting with all of you. And I'll end it at that. Thank you.